Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus like tabulas or other like that softwares from your VIVO V15 Pro. So, at the start, if you see something like that, when you're trying to visit any site in your web browser or just on the home screen or something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So, the first option, go to the settings, then slide down to the application and permissions, and now go to the app manager. Now check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not recognized in it, the app that you have not installed by yourself before, just tap on it and click on install. Click OK, and in the second step, go to the app manager again. Now look for your web browser. Then go to the internal storage and tap on the clear data. Choose clear all data and OK. After that, your web browser shall be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. So go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. Click continuous free and tap on the scan now. Now allow app permissions and click on the switcher next to it. Go back to the app and always use the deep scan. And after the scanning process, your phone should be free from notification software or any other virus. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.